أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
واضرب لهم مثلا الرجلين جعلنا لأحدهما جنتين من أعناب وحففناهما بنخل وجعلنا بينهما زرعا.
And cite for them the parable of two men. To one of them we gave 2 gardens of vine, and we surrounded them with palm trees, and we placed between them crops.
كلتا الجنتين آتت أكلها ولم تظلم منه شيئا وفجرنا خلالهما نهرا.
Both gardens produced their harvest in full, and suffered no loss. And we made a river flow through them.
وكان له ثمر فقال لصاحبه وهو يحاوره أنا أكثر منك مالا وأعز نفرا.
And thus he had abundant fruits. He said to his friend, as he conversed with him, I am wealthier than you, and greater in manpower.